Have easy access to cold food and drinks no matter where you're going with the Clearview Easy Slide. This unique fridge-lowering slide is easy to access from the back of your vehicle or from within your canopy. Designed to smoothly lower and raise a fully loaded fridge up to 290mm with 4 platform heights to choose from. The safety locking mechanism prevents sudden upward or downward movements. The unobtrusive handle allows for uninterrupted access to your fridge. The Easy Slide also has quick release double runners and a heavy duty travel lock that is guaranteed not to rattle. Simply unlock the travel lock mechanism, pull down on the yellow ergonomic slide quick release runner levers and pull the fridge towards you to full extension. It's as easy as handle up, fridge up, handle down, fridge down.